A nightingale overheard a student complaining that the professor's daughter will not dance with him, as he is unable to give her a red rose. A lizard, a butterfly, and a daisy laughed at the student for doing so. The nightingale visited all the rose trees in the garden, and one of the roses told her there is a way to produce a red rose, but only if the nightingale is prepared to sing the sweetest song for the rose all night, with her heart pressing into a thorn, sacrificing her life. Seeing the student in tears and valuing his human life above her bird life, the nightingale carried out the ritual and died painfully. This story is part of a fairy tale titled The Nightingale and the Rose from a collection of stories for children, The Happy Prince and Other Stories, by Oscar Wilde, first published in 1888. Nightingales are so named because they frequently sing at night as well as during the day. This is why its name includes night in several languages. Only unpaired males sing regularly at night, and the song serves to attract a mate. Its song is particularly noticeable at night because few other birds are singing. This is Nightingale's differentiation strategy to increase the probability of mating success. We have to learn from the bird nightingale singing at night